What if I told you that the weather you're experiencing right now might not be natural at all? Imagine waking up tomorrow to discover that governments and powerful organizations have been secretly controlling the climate for decades. Welcome to the world of weather manipulation and HAARP. HAARP, or the High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, has been the subject of intense speculation and conspiracy theories for years. But what if these theories weren't just wild fantasies? What if they were actually true? Let's dive into this rabbit hole and explore the mind-bending possibilities. If HAARP and similar technologies could manipulate the atmosphere, it would mean that natural disasters might not be so natural after all. Hurricanes, droughts, and even wildfires could potentially be engineered by those in power. Imagine a world where weather systems could be intensified or redirected at will. A Category 3 hurricane suddenly strengthens to a Category 5, or a storm abruptly changes course, devastating an unsuspecting coastline. Droughts and floods could be manufactured to destroy crops, leading to food shortages and economic turmoil. Some even claim that energy-based weapons could trigger earthquakes and tsunamis, reshaping entire landscapes. But why would anyone want this kind of power? Well, weather control could be the ultimate geopolitical weapon. Think about it. Targeted droughts or floods could cripple entire economies, bringing nations to their knees without firing a single shot. Natural disasters could be used to justify mass evacuations or impose restrictions on populations, all under the guise of public safety. And let's not forget about climate engineering. What if global warming isn't just the result of human activity, but a deliberate attempt to alter the planet's ecosystem for undisclosed reasons? The possibilities are as terrifying as they are endless. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds like science fiction, but there are those who claim to have seen evidence of weather manipulation in action. They point to unusual storm patterns, rapidly forming or erratic weather events that defy explanation. Strange cloud formations, unnatural lightning, and unexplained atmospheric activity have all been cited as potential proof of weather control technology at work. And then there are the whistleblowers, insiders who have hinted at hidden weather control programs, risking everything to bring this information to light. Their testimonies, while often disputed, add fuel to the fire of speculation. But if this technology really exists, why keep it a secret? The reasons could be manifold. For one, the weaponization of weather would be the ultimate power move. Controlling natural disasters could give a nation or organization unprecedented leverage on the global stage. Then there's the money. Weather disasters fuel massive industries, from disaster relief to reconstruction. If you could predict or even cause these events, imagine the profits you could reap. Insurance companies, construction firms, and even agricultural corporations could stand to make billions. And what about environmental deception? Could climate change be artificially accelerated for political or financial gain? The implications are staggering. Carbon taxes, green energy initiatives, and international climate agreements could all be manipulated by those who control the weather. If this theory is real, we aren't just witnessing natural weather patterns. We're watching a controlled climate system orchestrated by unseen hands for unknown purposes. Every raindrop, every gust of wind, every scorching heat wave could be part of a grand design. So the next time you check the weather forecast, ask yourself, who's really deciding the forecast? Are we at the mercy of Mother Nature, or are we unwitting pawns in a global game of climate chess? The truth is, we may never know for certain. But one thing's for sure, the possibility of weather manipulation forces us to question everything we thought we knew about our world. It challenges our understanding of nature, power, and the very fabric of reality itself. So what do you think? Is HAARP just a harmless research project or the tip of a very large and very dangerous iceberg? Are we witnessing the greatest conspiracy of all time, or simply letting our imaginations run wild? The choice to believe yours, but remember, in a world where weather can be weaponized, ignorance isn't just bliss, it might be exactly what they want.